Hey you guys, so welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys how I got my laundry room from this to this. It is so beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got. So I did get two wood cabinets from Home Depot. I spent $79 on each of them. And I also got this cabinet wood paint in black, and I did get the finishes in a satin. So the next day we did go ahead and paint the cabinets again just to give it that full look. We did do only just 2 coats of paint in total. So my husband was just trying to find the wood on the wall so we can go ahead and drill that in. And basically after that, we just went ahead and moved the old stuff that was on the wall. So we went ahead right here and started installing the cabinets. My arm did start hurting, you guys. But anyways, it did started sliding down. It slid down just a tad bit because it was just a little heavy for me to hold, okay? But we got the job done. So we did use a drill bit to go ahead and put that inside the wall. We used 5 in total. On the right side, there was no wood, but on the left side, there was the wood. So my husband wanted to be on the safe side. So we used about 5 screws in total, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and 1 in the middle. I brought these peel and stick towels from Wayfair, which was an epic fail for my project because after we were done the next day they did started peeling. We did use the greaser as stated in the instructions, but for some reason it just started peeling one by one, and that messed up the paint that we had on the wall. So I had to go buy a small quart of paint to go ahead and retouch up the paint that was on my wall. But basically, you guys, I was just so sad because I spent $100 and the project right here was an epic fail. Okay, so this is the brand that we use for our brackets to install our shelving unit. I did get 2 shelving units from Home Depot, and we just went ahead and just make sure that it was leveled correctly. And yeah, that was it. For the doorknobs for my cabinet, I did get two from Home Depot. They were $7.98 a piece. We did have to just end up going back to Home Depot to get a drill bit because it was kind of hard for it to go through the wood because it was so thick. But I did get two acrylic ones. They are so pretty, and it gives my project that glam that it needs. So I'm not sure if you guys can tell right here, but to the right is a tad bit a little lower due to me not being able to hold it, but we just decided to just keep the screws in. So I did go to Target and get this cute little basket. It's so pretty. I got this for $8.99. So I'm going to go ahead and put these wool dryer balls in them that I got from TJ Maxx on clearance for $8. I feel like I got a steal for this because it was more money at Walmart for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill that up. So I got these jars. I got 3 from Walmart for $6, and I also just went ahead and just started putting the Donny beads in them. And I also got these pins that I'm gonna insert inside the next jar. I also got those from Walmart. Everything was just basically from Walmart. So this is the finishing of my laundry room makeover. I think I spent about $200 in total with everything, but it was well worth it. I love it. Everything came out so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just go ahead and comment down below. Bye.